Hey there, everyone! Welcome aboard as we embark on a thrilling exploration of the unsung hero of the common household, hydrogen peroxide. This seemingly inconspicuous compound, often found inconspicuously sitting in your medicine cabinet, is known for its fizzy reaction when in contact with blood. Yet its capabilities reach far beyond just that. Unbeknownst to many, our benign, effervescent friend boasts an array of handy and surprisingly versatile uses around the household, effortlessly breaking down dirt, grime, and stains. Intrigued yet? Let's dive in. First up, the dishwasher. Have you ever taken a closer look at those hidden corners of your dishwasher? Have you ever spotted an unpleasant sight of mold or mildew lurking in those covert corners? It's not a sight that would be pleasing to your eyes, or your health for that matter, but don't worry, there's a simple solution to this problem: a quick spritz of hydrogen peroxide. This humble household item works wonders in keeping your dishwasher squeaky clean. Here's an interesting fact to ponder. A study conducted recently found an alarming statistic. A staggering 83% of dishwashers tested were harboring fungi. Get that? That's nearly every 4 out of 5 dishwashers. But there's no need to panic. With our trusty hydrogen peroxide at the ready, we can ensure our dishwashers are not just clean but spotlessly fresh. Next, let's tackle that kitchen sink. Take a moment to gather your tools: baking soda, a scrub brush, and your secret weapon, hydrogen peroxide. First, wet the surface of the sink. This not only prepares the sink for cleaning, but it can also help to loosen any initial grime or dirt. Now sprinkle a generous amount of baking soda all over the wet surface. Reach for your scrub brush and put some elbow grease into it, scrubbing the sink thoroughly. The abrasiveness of the baking soda works wonders, but the real magic is yet to come. Now, for the grand finale, pour some hydrogen peroxide slowly over the scrubbed surface. Wait a moment, allowing the bubbles to work their magic, breaking down any stubborn stains or buildup. After a few minutes, rinse everything away. Voila, a sparkling sink. Now onto our counters and cutting boards. We all desire a clean, hygienic cooking space, a place where we can prepare our food without fear. No one wants to deal with germs, especially when they're as persistent as they can be in the kitchen. They infiltrate our spaces, threatening our health. But what if there was a simple solution to this problem? A solution that doesn't require much effort or costly products, but yields great results. Well, there indeed is such a solution. A 10-minute soak in hydrogen peroxide. It may seem too easy, but trust its power. This common household item is surprisingly potent. It can combat all kinds of germs effectively, even the more resilient ones. It's so potent that it can even tackle tough bacteria like E. coli and salmonella. This simple hack can save you from several health complications and give you peace of mind while cooking. It's even effective against some tough bacteria like E. coli and salmonella. Veggies next. This simple trick involving a hydrogen peroxide solution does wonders for your fresh produce. Not only does it effectively remove dirt, grime, and potential pesticides, but it also remarkably extends their shelf life. This solution, commonly found in most households, is a secret weapon in maintaining the freshness of your vegetables. Immerse your produce in this solution for 20 minutes, ensuring that every nook and cranny is thoroughly cleaned. After soaking, give them a good rinse under cool running water. Now you can enjoy fresher, crisper, and healthier produce for much longer. Soak for 20 minutes, rinse, and enjoy fresher produce for longer. Having a persistent, baked-on mess on your cookware? Absolutely no problem with our method. Dealing with stubborn stains and grime can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you've been cooking a delicious meal. But don't let it spoil your mood and ruin your day. We've got the perfect home remedy for you. Just grab that box of baking soda from your pantry. Yes, the same one you use for your favorite cookies. Carefully sprinkle it all over the cookware. Then reach out for your trusted hydrogen peroxide and spritz it generously. Let the mixture sit and work its magic. Trust us, those stubborn stains don't stand a chance. Lastly, let's tackle that garbage can. This object often becomes the breeding ground for unwanted microbes and unpleasant odors. Therefore, it's necessary to give it a proper cleanse. Start off by giving it a thorough wash. Use warm water and soap, scrubbing the entire interior and exterior, making sure to get into those hard-to-reach crevices. After you've washed it, it's time for the next step, which involves a mix of hydrogen peroxide and water. This is a very potent and effective solution for combating bacteria. Give the garbage can a generous spray, coating it evenly. Once you've sprayed it, the last step is to let it sun-dry. The sun's ultraviolet rays act as a natural disinfectant, further aiding the sterilization process. This simple yet efficient method can make a world of difference in maintaining a clean and healthy environment. Say goodbye to those germs. And there you have it, hydrogen peroxide, not just for dealing with minor injuries like cuts and scrapes. It's the unexpected hero hiding in your household cupboard, waiting to lend a hand in tackling some of your most annoying cleaning tasks. Far from being a one-trick pony, hydrogen peroxide can take on a multitude of problems with ease. Whether you're dealing with stubborn stains, disinfecting surfaces, or even brightening up your laundry, this little powerhouse can do it all. So let's give credit where credit is due. The next time you find a stain that won't budge, remember your secret weapon: hydrogen peroxide. If you found this video enlightening and valuable in enhancing your daily life and cleaning routine, don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up. It's a small action, but it truly helps us to continue providing content like this for you. Moreover, if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with our latest tips and tricks. Until next time, happy cleaning.